Explore more colors and coffin nails designs to match coffin tip nails. Good evening, everyone. Hope you people are all well. Today, in my video, you can get different ideas about the nail acrylic coffin. These nail shape shows you how to determine the different acrylic nail shapes. There are almond nails, stiletto nails, ballerina nails, coffin nails, and many more. In my video, I am giving you nail acrylic coffin ideas. Hope you people enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Coffin nails or ballerina nails are long nails that have flat and square tips. They resemble a coffin or belted slippers, hence the name. Less nail designs journal coffin nails. How long do coffin acrylic nails last? If you choose acrylic coffin nails, they will last about the same amount of time as other acrylics, 6 to 8 weeks. Please share my YouTube channel with your friends and family members that they can also get different advantages and ideas from my video. Because of their straight edges, shapes, square, and the coffin acrylic shaped nails are more prone to breakage. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you choose acrylic coffin nails, they will last about the same amount of time as other acrylic nails, that is 6 to 8 weeks. In my video, I am telling about the nail acrylic coffin designs. Some of my filing, I am going to angle my scissors up towards the side wall and cut slowly. Towards the top now I am going to grab my hand file and I am going to file from side to side slowly, and we get the coffin acrylic nail shape. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Give me suggestion at the comment section below. Which idea do you like most? Thank you.